In this video, I will show you how to block a merchant on Cash App. It is very easy to do, just follow this video till the end. So let's start. First, you can use the Capital One mobile app. Just open Capital One mobile app on your smartphone. Then log in your account, select the account instead with your card. Then go to the recent transactions or the manage merchants. It depends on the availability. Then find the merchant that you want to block. Look for the option to block feature future transactions or turn off the payment for that merchant. So that is the Capital One mobile app. If you want to block it on your Capital One website, you can visit the Capital One website. Then log in your account. Then navigate to the card/account dashboard. Then review your transaction history or look for a manage merchant option. Then you need to find the merchant and choose the option to block them. If any of them doesn't work, you can contact the customer support. You can call the Capital One customer support at the number on the back of your card. Inform the representative about the merchant you want to block, and they can assist you with the preventing future charges or the recurring payment. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.